Welcome back to the channel, guys, and the sun is out. I was supposed to record this before we did a whole bunch of work on the camper van there, but I forgot. Ignore the continuity errors of the change of clothes and everything else, and the fact that the weather is a little bit warmer. This video, we're going to show you the first completed upgrade we've done to the camper van. We have now got carpet in there. It's custom made, and we made the template for it. Now, I will be honest and say I'm pretty pleased with what we did, because it's the first time we've done that. We were sent the templating paper, kind of some industrial paper. Anyhow, we were sent that by the carpet company. We laid it out, cut it up, stuck it all together, made a template, stuck it in a box and sent it off. And we're going to show you how we did that now and the finished results. And we're pretty pleased with them. So don't go away. Watch through. We've done it as quickly as we can. There's some nice music there, so it's worth it. And if you're thinking about getting a custom made carpet for your van, this could help you out. And there we go, we finished the steps up, and we did actually manage to do the whole of the main carpet template in one piece. We thought we were going to have to stick loads together. Certainly have an awful lot of offcuts. So we're all done, we're marked up. Now all we need to do is gently take the template off, fold it up, pop it back into the box and send it to Spain. And hopefully in about 10 days we'll have a nice new custom made carpet for the camper van. Our carpet has arrived.
I'm going to get it, stay there.
She had to go a long way. Okay, we've got a big bag of carpet. We've got lots of sun, so we're going to lay it out and let the sun hopefully take some of the creases out. And then we'll try and get it in the camper van.
You can see we've laid it out. Well, I think it's the same colour as our drive. To be honest, it's not as creased as I thought it would be.
No, it's a
really
lot less creased.
Soft as well. It's going to be really nice. So all the pieces look like the cutout that we did. So we're going to give it half an hour in this beautiful sunshine, and then we will come back and fit it and
see how it goes.
See how it goes.
So we've got it all fitted. Steps are done. Looking good. Still a bit wonky, but it just takes time to flatten out. And then we are all the way through the bathroom area. I'm really pleased with how it's come out around the step. Fits nicely around the fridge. Table is okay. Moving to the front, we've kept it, we didn't want it to go straight the way into the sides, and these are removable. The EcoFlow's going there, so we didn't want carpet if that was going to go. We have underfloor heating, and so we put in a flap so that we can open it up, and when the heating's running it will just help warm the place. So there you go, small step but makes it a lot more cosy. Really pleased with it. Bearing in mind Helen and I made the template and then we sent the template off to Spain, I'm really quite pleased with what we've ended up with. It looks great, it feels great, it's nice and lightweight but very hard wearing, super soft and lovely. Thanks for watching us fit the carpet. As usual, we'll ask you to like, subscribe, share, drop us a comment. What do you think about our carpet? Think it's all right? Did we choose the right colours? Does it match? We hoped we could pick up the greys. We thought brown would get dirty too quickly. So yeah, drop us a comment, let us know what you think, and we will see you in the next vlog. Thank you very much. Ta-ra!